everybody, welcome to Cooking with the Count Share in America. Well, we broke camp in New Hampshire. We had a great time there. We were able to see a lot of family and friends that we hadn't seen in many years. I met friends that I haven't seen in 50 years. And it was really a great time. From taking a boat ride across Three Ponds, the lake that I grew up on, to seeing Gary Michael and Jerry Michael, longtime friends, and we had a fantastic time. Wow, Gabriella, how cool is this?
Awesome!
Hey, girl!
This boat was built in 1948.
Yay! A good shout out to Mighty Joe Campground. They were very accommodating. It's a great place to stay. Gabriella had a good time with all the amusements that they had there. Lone Oak ice cream for still having the best ice cream in the United States as far as I'm concerned. You know, I'm lactose intolerant in Florida, but I'm not lactose intolerant in New Hampshire, which, go figure. But anyway, we had some great food there. You know, again, I want to say, you know, a big thank you for Jackie Martell and Jan for coming out. Joining us by the campfire, and all the new friends that we made, you know, in Mighty Joe. And everywhere we went, I mean, a lot of people bought cookbooks, and it was a lot of fun, you know, getting to meet them. And there's some great people up there, and I really love, you know, Rochester and the Milton area, and all the fun that we had. You know, another big kudos out to Market Basket for some really good price lobster. You know, we kind of ate our way through the lobster bin at $5.99 a pound. Yeah, you can bet that we had quite a few of them. As you can see, Carly's picking us out some beautiful lobsters.
You said 8?
8.
You want 8 again?
Please. These are beautiful little lobsters. Very nice. Nice part is they'll even steam them for you here. You can't beat that with a stick. So all you've got to do is have an appetite, and you've got it made. Pretty. All right.
You want these steamed also?
Yes, please.
Okay.
All right. We're going to need about 20 minutes to get those steamed, and we'll come back at that point. Talk to you soon. Anyway, as I said, we're working our way up to Bar Harbor, Maine. Gabriella decided that she wanted octopus for dinner tonight. So, give me 1 second here. Okay, and we got the eyes out. And we got the head. And we got our water boiling. And there's our octopus. Where are you, Gab?
Right here.
Well, come on, around. You want to touch it? I'm gonna put it around your neck?
No. Don't,
What?
Don't even think about it.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. This is my first time, guys, catching an octopus not cooked. But still, it's slimy.
Slimy? It's not slimy.
Yes, it is.
You should, this would fit on your head, you know.
No, don't even think about it.
Call it a wig.
Don't even think about it.
Alright, I won't.
Thank you. I mean, seriously, guys, don't try this at home, guys.
Don't try this at home. Okay. Alright, let go. We've got to dip it in the water. We want to tighten these legs up. 1. 2. Now this is real easy. I mean, this is an onion, about a teaspoon of garlic, several bay leaves, ouch, a little bit of olive oil, and that is going to cook for about 40 minutes until it's nice and tender. Could be 45. But anyway, as you can see, he's sitting pretty in there. And then we're gonna take it out, cool it off, and we put it on the campfire and char those legs up a little bit. Oh, that is good. So we're gonna bring you out to the campfire a little bit later. You'll see the results. It's delicious. See you soon. It's been about 45 minutes. Let's see how this is. Yeah, I think he's doing all right. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty. As you can see, I've already taken out the beak. I did that before I put it in the water. Let him cool off a little bit, and then we're going to cut off his legs, and we'll put him on the grill. As you can see, they shrank down so bad. This was like a 4-pound octopus, and by the time you cook them down, well, they shrink down big time. But they are so good. Wait till you see how that chars up the legs a little bit, and if they're not chewy. I mean, if you think that that's going to be chewy, you're wrong. It is delicious. So we'll be back in a little while. We're going to put him on the fire. Now I got a little ahead of myself. I actually cut the legs up, as you can see, and we've got it on the fire. We're going to char these up a little bit. They're going to be so good. As you can see there. Not a big fire pit tonight, but it's okay. This will work. And I'm going to toast them up a little bit. And they're tender, they're juicy, they're going to be good. Well, they're done. They are deliciously tender. Like I said, don't knock it until you try it. You know, some people are scared of calamari. This isn't calamari, this is octopus. Calamari is squid. So this is a real octopus, and we're camping out in Bar Harbor, Maine. So, bon appetit. Thank you for joining us with Cooking with the Count, Sharing America. Please follow us on YouTube. Don't forget our website, www.cookingwiththecount.com. God bless, keep it between the lines, and bon appetit. That is good. God, that is good.